want to teach you how to add music inside of your Fortnite maps. All you need to go and do is type in radio device, and you'll see we get one of these. What we need to do is just choose whichever audio we want in here. If you want custom audio, just go ahead and create a folder, right click, press sound cue, and you'll get one of these. Open it up. Now you just need to add a wave player and choose the sound that you've added. This is how you get custom music or any music in your Fortnite creative maps. Subscribe to the channel and use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. If you're an absolute beginner to UEFN or normal creative, got a link in the description, as well as I have pre-made assets ready to be used on the Patreon.